families, welcome to the new school year and to 6th grade. My name is Mrs. Bejarano, but you can call me Mrs. B. This is my second year teaching here at Anthem Christian School, and I am so excited for this new school year. We are definitely beginning this year with many unknowns and a lot of questions, and I want you all to know that I am completely committed to providing you with the best possible distance learning experience for each of you. We are a team, and working together is going to be vital for you as parents and students, and for me as your teacher. Communication is key and important for me to be able to help and assist to make distance learning bearable for all of you. Is it going to be hard? Yes. But can we do this? Absolutely. There are a few things that I want families to complete before school starts on Monday, August 17th, which is only a few days away. So, first, school begins at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. So this means that you are ready to go. You are in your uniform top. You have had breakfast because we're not going to eat while we're in Zoom, and you have all your materials with you. Number 2, you need to find your school space and get it ready for school. This means that it needs to be a quiet and distraction-free area, whether it's a table, a desk. Find it and start working on it. It should be organized with everything that you're going to need for class. Third, we are going to be using Schoology and Zoom to complete our distance learning, and I will provide all the information at your open house. What I do want for you to do as students and as parents is to go to Schoology and just mess around with it. See what it has, go watch a few videos, and start getting yourself familiar with this platform so that when school starts, we're ready to go. I do hope that this small video will ease any anxiety and stressful anticipations that you may have about this school year. I will see you at open house on Thursday at your scheduled time, and please come with any questions and suggestions for your learning experience. I cannot wait to see all of you guys. Stay safe and God bless.